11 free and easy crochet bralette patterns for summer. This is an easy and beginner-friendly crochet bikini top that is quick to make and requires minimal yarn and time. This is a simple base pattern for a comfortable bralette that is easily customized for many sizes. This is a funky summer crochet top with optional fringes, designed to evoke a hippie vibe, perfect for festival experiences or summer days on the beach. Geo Trim Bralette by Nicole of the Knotted Nail is an easy written pattern using for weight Red Heart Super Saver yarn and for 0.5mm hook. The Sasha Bralette by Taylor of Taylor Link Crochet is a written pattern available as a video for sizes small to XL using light Hobby Lobby's yarn bee and a 3.75mm hook. Brittany Rogers of Brittany Alice Crochet designed the Underwire Crochet Bralette, a written pattern with a video using weight-free Lion Brand Kobu yarn and a 3.5mm hook. This is an off-white crochet bralette or bra with beautiful lace edges, ideal for hot summer days, sunbathing on the beach, or styling with high-waisted shorts or a skirt. The Jasmine Bralette by Sam of Kasali Crafts is a written pattern made with sport weight drops Love You 7 yarn and a 4mm hook. This pattern guides you in making a basic crochet bralette bikini top, as pictured in red, white, and blue nautical umber yarn. This project involves crocheting a fashionable and airy BH-like top in a boho style. It is designed to be a stylishly individual piece. This is a comfortable and breathable crochet bralette designed to be worn for long, hot days, such as at a music festival. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.